So as we get into graphics as well, we'll take it one step further with mattes and such. And so the Seattle, I'm sorry, the green screen clip, let's get rid of this timekeeping green screen. So get rid of that MOV file. And let's go back to our friend Laura. Let's add her to video 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this video of Laura. So like these colors and everything are going to be the underlying elements within our graphic. And this might actually be really helpful as you create your opens, your video opens, which are forthcoming. And so you might have a really large graphic title that you've created. So it might be really large letters, and then you want video to kind of be playing in the background. This is how you do it. And you still have maybe a solid background, or you might have a another background of maybe LaSalle or something. So what we'll do is we'll import our graphic itself. And so if you go into the graphics folder, and there is a Seattle. So if you can see, it says Seattle. And you'll drag that up to the video 3. And so as you can see right now, we can't see the Seattle skyline because Laura is in the way, but we also see Seattle. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the track matte key. And the track matte key is located in keying. And you'll add the track matte key to Laura 6, so video 2. And then you'll open up your effects controls, and you'll see the track matte key is there. So what you have to do is you have to assign the matte to a specific graphic, and that's going to be video 3. So now you see that we have our Seattle skyline in the background. This is video 1. And then we have Laura, and then we have this key that's showing Seattle. But you can see the video of Laura is kind of going on in the background. So you have kind of like a moving graphics. And that actually will bring some cool elements, some cool animation to your graphics as you create your video opens. And this is certainly an option for you. So that's just an easy, this is the track matte key.